Hey there! Have you ever wondered why making friends as an adult can feel like climbing Mount Everest? You're not alone. According to a study by Cigna, nearly 60% of adults report feeling lonely. But don't worry, I've got some tips for you that will make this process a whole lot easier. First off, let's talk about the importance of vulnerability. Research from Brené Brown shows that vulnerability is the key to forming meaningful relationships. So, next time you're at a social gathering, try sharing something personal about yourself. It might feel a little scary at first, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, you might be thinking, where do I even meet new people? Well, the good news is that opportunities are everywhere. Join a local club, take a class, or even volunteer. According to the American Journal of Sociology, shared activities significantly increase the likelihood of forming friendships. One of the most effective ways to make friends is by being consistent. Make it a point to show up regularly at the same place and time. Whether it's a weekly yoga class or a monthly book club, consistency creates familiarity, and familiarity breeds connection. Let's not forget the power of listening. Dale Carnegie once said, "You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years, by trying to get people interested in you." Ask open-ended questions and genuinely listen to the answers. People love talking about themselves, and this will help you form deeper connections. Here's a quick fact for you. Did you know that it takes about 50 hours of socializing to go from acquaintance to casual friend, and around 200 hours to become a close friend? That's according to a study by the University of Kansas, so don't rush it. Building meaningful friendships takes time. Feeling a bit stuck? Sometimes our past experiences and subconscious beliefs can hold us back. If you feel like you need a little extra help, why not book a free hypnotherapy session with Amelia at One Dreaming Bear? It could be just what you need to break through those barriers and start forming meaningful connections. So here's my question for you. What small step can you take today to start forming new friendships? Drop your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're never too old to make new friends.